Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video I will tell you, if you are facing the problem that the specified installation directory is not empty, how you can fix this problem on your MiKTeX. I will tell you. I have faced similar problem that when I try to open this error pops out on my screen that the specified installation directory is not empty. So how you can fix this trouble, I will tell you in this video. You just need to follow some simple steps that will help you to fix this problem. Hope you like this video and subscribe our channel. So I have faced similar problem. So what I have tried, I tried uninstalling and deleting folders and reinstalling again, and this time it works. Not entirely sure how it, but it works for me. You can also try to uninstall and delete your folder and reinstall them again, and it will help you to fix this problem. And other method you can try to fix this problem. You remove the folder is the key to fix this problem. Initially, after uninstall the folder disappeared when the recycle bin was empty. Then you, after deleting it with install completed, deleting it, the installation completed. So make sure to also delete them from your recycle bin, and this will help you to fix from this trouble. So guys, hope you got valuable information, and if you want to know any more further information, you can simply comment down. I will reply your each and every query. So thank you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you got valuable information, and don't forget to share this video so this video gets reached to desired audience who really want to know about it.